dünyanın en yüksek Meryem Ana heykelinin drone videosunu çekmek için Filipinler Batangas şehir merkezinden buradaki bu güzel yollardan geçerek Maria heykeline vardım. Videoyu izlemeye başlamadan önce YouTube kanalıma abone olmayı unutmayınız.
Guys, while you are watching our drone videos over Maria, let me give you some information about Maria. The statue is known as Maria International Pilgrimage and Conference Center, overlooks Batangas Bay. The most outstanding feature is the massive statue of Virgin Mary. Mother of all Asia is said to be the world's tallest statue of Virgin Mary. From the observation deck, you could get a look at the surrounding areas including Tingloy, Verde Islands, and even parts of Oriental Mindoro. It is a vast estate that serves as a retreat place, a pilgrimage destination, and a tourist attraction. It towers at over 98 meters, taller than the Statue of Liberty in New York, USA, and the Statue of Christ the Redeemer in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil.
Guys, if you like our video, do you know what to do? You will like our video and you will share our video with your friends. And also please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also please don't forget to write your opinions in the comment section down below.
Yeah.
Until we see you in our next video, please take good care of yourself. Bye bye.